Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now let's scroll to the general management. Now let's tap on the very first position, language and input, and let's tap on the language. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap here. And as you can see here, we've got the list of available languages. They are suggested by Samsung. If you cannot find the language you want to use, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages. And here we've got much more options to choose from, but let me get back to the suggested by Samsung and let's choose something, for example, maybe French. In order to choose the language, just tap on it. If you've got, for example, an option, if you can choose the region, then do it, just tap on it. And now you can decide if you want to keep current language, so we will stick with English, or we can set the new one as default. So let me pick set as default. As you can see, it immediately appears at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole menu will be in the French language. Now let me show you how to change to the English. If you've got two languages, then you can tap on English and drag it to the very first position. Now let's get back. And as you can see, it immediately changes. Now if you want to remove the language, just tap on edit, tap on the one you want to remove and tap on remove. Click on remove. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.